Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO here. We're here at Barber CVO's studio of reviews, and we're going to do a nice review today on the Simpson helmet Ponyboy edition. I've had this helmet about, I would say, a month and a half to 2 months already, and it's been working out very well for me. I love it. It's lightweight and it's a gorgeous, like a beautiful helmet. It's got a sparkle to it. I did also put the gold visor on there as well. And I also have here the Senna 50S. This also carries I put the GoPro mount here as well. Here's my GoPro. I did have the GoPro with the outside hard shell, but I felt like it was too heavy for it, so I decided to take it out and do a little customization myself. I do have the thing also for the microphone here, and yeah, it's so much lighter because the other one does weigh, like it has a little weight to it. So this one actually works out very well. I'm gonna give you a nice little close-up of the helmet. This, the helmet is very comfortable as well. See, it goes up. And also, the helmet does have here a visor in the front. I don't know if you can see it. It goes up and down, but I'm gonna get it close up so you guys can see it. Alright? I'm gonna do a close-up now of the helmet so you guys can check it out. Okay, so here's now the close-up of the helmet. As you can see, we got the Senna 50S. It does come with the little antenna that goes up. Check it out. This thing is beautiful. I mean, gorgeous helmet. Got a little scratch there. I don't know how it happened there, but it's all right. See, there you go. Ponyboy edition. This thing sparkles in any type of way you look at it. Super glossy. This carries that little gold right there. That's it has a little shine to it, so it's got like a sparkle to it. The visor as well. I did buy the visor on the side. The visor was about $79 and the helmet was $500. You can actually get it at getlowered.com. That's for the GoPro. I'm gonna mount the GoPro so you guys can see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the view on how the GoPro looks like. As you can see, I did modify it a little bit. The GoPro 8 black goes right there, and then right behind it I put like a little sticky thing. Like I said, I had the big square metal thing, but it was a little too heavy for me, so I just decided to just do this. It's a lot easier, it's very simple, and I am getting the door for that. I just ordered, it should be coming in today, because otherwise it won't work. Well, it would work, but you need the little door here, because if you buy the little rubber thing that goes around it, this will be exposed and the battery could fall off. So the door is coming in here, and with the separation of that. There you go. So that's how it looks. Like I tell you guys, this helmet runs small. So the open module ones do come a little bigger in size, almost true to size, but this one definitely comes in a little small. I did some modification inside. Let me show you as well how this thing looks when you lower it. See? So you also have for night vision. And then if you don't want it, then you just lift it up. So I did some modification because I do have big cheeks. I actually cut the inside lining of this. Because I have big cheeks and I have a big head. So this is like a 2X. As you can see, I did cut the lining and then I sewed it up. So now the cheek area doesn't bother me anymore and it's not as tight. Let me show you the inside of this as well, so you can see how the microphone goes. The microphone is pretty close. It's kind of hard to zoom in on that, but the microphone goes right there. I have put some good miles on this already. Let me tell you about wind noise. The wind noise, it's pretty good. Not too loud. Like I said, very lightweight, and the wind noise is not as much. This is like I said, a very light helmet, and it does its job. What else can I tell you about this? I also got my wife the same helmet, so we got matching helmets as well. So I suggest you go out and get it if you can. They're limited edition, so once they sell out, that's about it. All right, talk to you soon, guys.